Remember this technique? Did you see that? Alright,
Hello
hey
everyone,
guys.
welcome back. We are playing another round of this. Let's go single islands. I like that one. I like the Indiana Jones feel. I got skunk.
I got a bowl. Ram you. People are gonna wonder what the hell is that.
It's quite obviously me, I think.
Oh. Crap, how am I supposed to get to your worm?
I have worms behind me, you know.
Oh crap!
Party's over.
Well, you did attack me.
That was a terrible move. Bring it on, Shunny. Oh my god, my worm is having a seizure.
Now he's freaking the fuck out because he's pissed. Wait, mate!
No, I'm not going over
You
there.
bombs on either side of you.
Oh yeah? That was a big surprise.
And you hurt yourself. How am I on a bomb? I'm on a bomb. How am I not dead?
You're just sitting there like...
You're just sitting there like, God damn it. Hotman, god damn it.
Let's go.
God damn it, Kenny.
What am I doing?
Christina. Christina Santa's lap.
Oops.
Oh, you hurt yourself.
They took more damage though.
You'll regret that. Yes, sir.
So give me a long speech as a goodbye.
Goodbye. Something.
Bushwhack.
You're an ass.
Yeah, I know.
The second
No,
there,
I'm
I
not
thought
ass.
someone was drowning.
I'm not ass, I'm just competitive.
I'm not.
Yes, sir.
Leave Jeffrey alone!
Know what? I'm gonna do something stupid.
Come on then.
Remember this technique?
Hi, Eddie.
Did you see that? That was funny.
I would have laughed so hard if you did that and made yourself go off the edge. start a whoopee cushion.
Heads up, sailors.
You poisoned yourself. What the hell, Martin?
Yow.
No, I'm poisoned.
Oh, you're on top of me.
That's it.
This game is so weird.
Look at my face.
You bastard! They're dancing.
I wondered what that did.
Leave me alone. Look, more Tucker. Session.
That looks weird. You look like you're being...
That's it.
You didn't take damage though. No, leave him alone.
Eat this. That's it.
Oh, LOL, your worm is trapped!
That's a cold one.
Oh look, we're on sandwich.
Wow. Bummer. Leave me alone.
What'd you get?
Let me check. I want to try some of these extra ones. I never tried before.
The Tawdry Donkey is so overpowered, by the way.
Ah.
It's really awesome. Ow! Bastard! Damn it, that hurt.
Next time, you're mine.
It was an easy move.
Hesitating.
Don't set off the... What are you doing?
Hey.
I'm trying to hop over you. But you're so fat.
Huh.
What about SpongeBob?
That's it.
It's not gonna let you do it, by the way.
Have a go, you mug.
Fine then.
Stop your chin wag. How do you like that?
You set the landmine flying, by the way.
Oh yeah, and I blew you up.
My worm's sitting on the thing.
Right.
Aren't I just the worst?
Yeah.
Ready.
Part of me really wants to get Tawdry Donkey just to show you how over freaking powered it is. Like, if your team is in one area, it can completely destroy you. Basically, just hops around, destroying land up and down until it reaches the ocean, no matter how far it goes.
I don't know what I just picked, but it's kind of...
Move
That looks so weird. That looks so bizarre. Oh yeah, sure. Use the holy hand grenade, kill your own worm.
it. Whoa. Wait.
Oh crap, wrong!
That's a
Well,
cold
now
one.
we're all dead. Officially wiped, I think, like the worms in half. Like, there's half of them now.
He took a lot of damage.
You did too. You did a lot of damage yourself.
G'day, mate. That's it. Nice one.
You think I should split this into a part 2?
I'm going to. I stopped recording.
Oh, there you go. Where's Jesus when you need him?
That's a cold one.
Get the joke?
Oi, nutter.
I can't get to you.
How cost you only paid 11 damage?
I have no idea.
Oh my god, I am so sick. There's no way you're gonna be able to get.
I have an idea. Oh crap!
What?
I went flying off!
None of mine is.
You'll see the video when it comes out.
Oh, now it's happening. Oh, good job.
Sorry guys about that.
Reinforcements, alright?
Don't you dare! Oh. Not the water!
Oh yeah, guess what? Next turn you're gonna die because you're gonna drown. Oh, wait, no, you're drowned now.
Now you're just making a mess.
Yes. How is Steven alive? Oh my god.
Yes, sir. Hup.
Joe.
That was a fail. I'm at the burn Steven, by the way.
Yeah, I can tell.
Look, more Tucker. Change.
Area.
Kangaroo.
This is where Steven probably dies.
Goodbye.
Go away.
It's Steven out. Steven will remember in the afterlife, of what you did to Steven.
Well, I just burned him a little. It tastes like worm.
Down,
What?
Whoa.
He healed. Damn it, Steven. Hi.
Steven may be dead, but his legacy lives on.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm on it.
Come here, Tiny.
Leave Tiny alone! Stop staying on Tiny.
I don't care.
Get your ass off of Tiny!
That's cold.
Right now we're gonna jump.
Ooh,
Bastard.
that's cold.
They ain't weren't quit moving.
Yow.
Tiny! No! Tiny!
Oi, Nutter. Yes, sir.
You're stuck though.
The girl plays lots of I did not mean by that.
I heard it too.
Get a move on.
Bye! Shit!
I'm not going over there.
Dead.
Bye bye. Yes, sir.
Damn it, you're winning.
Yep.
Ready.
You know what? I'm gonna go over there. Hello, friend.
You heard Toddy. Toddy will make you regret it.
I'm going over here.
Grenade.
You're gonna regret hurting Toddy.
And we're both drowning.
You kill us both.
Bummer.
Well, that wasn't a good plan.
And depending on what worm I have, I can kill you now.
G'day, mate.
I'm gonna look around for my worms. Oh, here's one of them.
And he's your only one, too.
Are you a monkey?
No, but you're dead.
Wow.
And I win.
Oh dear.
You want? That was a good game, though.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody.
Achoo.
Bye.